Hey guys, my name is Sagar and welcome to our Android app development course. And in this course, me and my friend Gautam will teach you how you can make your own Android app with so much simplicity that after taking this course, you will learn how you can make your own Android app without any problem. So let us give you a overview of this course. My friend Gautam will teach you how you can make your own Android app by using Android Studio and Java JDK, which is really simple. It's super simple, guys, and please don't hesitate to ask me any question regarding this course. I'm always open, guys, so please make sure to send me any message you want, or if you want any discount code, then please don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in our first lecture, and the first lecture will be really awesome. So my friend Gautam will guide you through your course, and Gautam is really a great instructor. He has been making Android app from the year 2015, and it has been 3 years, and he's a really good app developer. So my friend Gautam will teach you how you can make your own Android app. So Gautam, let's begin.